Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know, like I can't just be pulling this shit every time, but around here we forgive and we give grace to inconsistency. Honestly, even I can't take myself seriously. But the reason why I'm actually back is because I realized back in 2012, a couple of people asked me to do an eyebrow tutorial and I never got around to doing it. 2013 actually, 2013. And if you hear any noise, I'm with my son, he's watching cartoons. So I never got around to doing it. And so recently someone asked. I'm not going to say a lot of people asked because who's asking me? Who? So someone asked if I could do this, and I figured, kill 1,000 birds with one stone, or one eyebrow tutorial. So here I am. So if you're new to makeup or you're introducing yourself to makeup, I'll give you a run through of what you need. Eyebrow pencil, I use number 3, a spoolie or an old mascara brush like most of us do, a flat top brush for concealer, and of course concealer. So that those are your tools. These are your tools. This is all you need, and probably a brush to fluff out the concealer once you're done. I'm not doing a full face, by the way. I am not doing a full face. I'm just here for the eyebrows. Okay. So we are going to start off. Why is it when I'm recording everything and their mother is just making noise? We're going to start out with brushing up your eyebrow hair, if you have eyebrow hair. So brush it up, brush it into place. That's what I mean. Not shitting my no eyebrow sisters, but you'll have it the easiest. And then that's where your brow should start. That's where your arc should be, and that's where your tail should be. I hope I'm doing this right because I've not been wearing makeup a lot, so there's that. But that's besides the point. So I've been doing this for years, so even too fast, slow this video down or pause as we go. I'm going to start my eyebrow closest to my natural brows begin. See that? So that's the line under. That's what I mean. My God, you become dusty and rusty once you don't shoot videos for a while. And then we are going to line over very light hand. Fill it in. Again, light hand, very light hands. We're trying to make it look as natural as possible. I'm not eyebrow expert, but I know my eyebrows are a statement piece. I just had to say it. Anyway, and there we have our first eyebrow. So fix it as you see fit. Please note that the higher your arc is, the most the more surprised you look. So be mindful of that. Also, don't use black pencil. Don't use a black pencil because it's too harsh. It will end up looking too harsh. We're going to do the same thing on my other eyebrow, and then we're going to come back. I know we're looking a bit crazy right now, but you're going to take your spoolie and you're going to gently, keyword, gently brush through the eyebrows. You want to take away all the harshness, because sometimes we get a heavy hand. And once that is done, what? I cannot speak. You take your concealer. And you take your brush, your tiny brush, a flat brush, any flat brush, and then you come and correct your brows. You just shape them. Do you see that? You're going to do it on the top too. Ensure to clean up. Please don't be walking around looking like this. Okay, but this process might take time at some point. No. Go watch cartoon. Okay. Mm-hmm. So let me do my other eyebrow and I'll be back. And that is how you do your eyebrows. And it looks a bit lighter. So ensure that you blend properly. to avoid walking around looking like a damn clown. Anyway, guys, I hope to make a proper or to make more content this year. Honestly, I do want to create more content, more wholesome content. I'm not into what a lot of people are into, so I'm still trying to figure that out. But I have to see you next time. Bye, guys.